the pretty girl. To the pretty girl. Hi guys, welcome to my life as I live it. My name is Kenna and I am a Cameroonian YouTuber based in Douala, Cameroon. Thank you for clicking on this channel. So today guys, I am going to be showing you what I do that makes my husband to always come back. As if he was going anywhere. Anyway guys, today I'll be giving you breakfast ideas for your husband. Okay, so if you're one of those people who is always thinking like, I don't know what to do for breakfast for my husband, don't bother. We're going to be showing you Cameroonian breakfast ideas that you can make for your husband. I've been watching a couple of African channels and I noticed that a lot of them don't really eat the kind of things that we Cameroonians eat for breakfast. So I was just like, okay, let me try to showcase what a typical Cameroonian breakfast looks like, because I noticed that some people actually eat food for breakfast, like actual food, the food that we Cameroonians will eat as lunch. I noticed that some countries actually eat things like that for breakfast, and I was like, oh wow, like there are a lot of differences. So if you want to see what a good Cameroonian breakfast looks like, just keep watching. I came up with a couple of ideas and you will notice that there's something that is always on the menu every day, and that's hot chocolate, Ovaltine and milk. And then also there's a lot of eggs on my menu because yeah, one, he likes eggs, two, it's easy. So yeah guys, just go and watch and catch you later. So this will be me showing you guys 5 days of breakfast ideas. So the first day we did kumba bread and eggs. Okay, this is kumba bread and it's mostly sold in the north and southwest region of Cameroon, and my husband loves it, so I toasted it with eggs. This is something I learned how to do from my mom and I love it so much. The kids love it, my husband loves it. So what we do is just basically beat eggs, put a little bit of salt in it, you put your oil on the fire, just a little oil, not too much. You then dip the bread both sides in the eggs and you just drop it in the frying pan. It's really easy, it doesn't take a lot of time. Yeah, that's just what you do. When the side gets ready, you turn the other side and boom, your toasted bread is ready. So this is one of those things that I always make each time there is kumba bread in the house, because it's one of the favorite things in this house. It's so yummy, like it's so yummy, especially when the eggs are really much on it. The next day I did pancakes. I didn't want to come and start mixing pancakes here because I've already done that a couple of times here. So yeah, I didn't come to mix any pancakes, but yeah, we just did pancakes and this is me getting the pancakes ready. Pancakes and sardine eggs with Ovaltine. That is what he had on this day. Hi guys, Good morning. Okay, I'm sure this is the first time you'll be seeing my face since this video started, I think. Anyway, it depends on... This is it with Myra! Depending on how... I hope that this thing is cooking. Depending on how I'm going to edit it. But yes, this is a weekend. And during the weekend, I can cook anything for breakfast. But I'll do puff puff and pap today. Because generally during the weeks, my husband complains that puff puff and pap is that thing that will make him fall asleep. Yeah, so he's one of those people. You know that there's some people that when they eat pap, the only reaction they have is to climb and sleep. Yeah, the only reaction they have is to just fall asleep. So he's always like, he doesn't want to eat puff puff and pap, because if he eats puff puff and pap, he's going to get sleepy. He'll just want to sleep. He will not be able to work. So I'll make something like pap and bread, or pap and tea, anything like that, only during the weekend. So yeah, guys, come along and do some pap with me. Okay, so I'm not eating pap for the longest time. Right, for the longest time I've not had pap. So okay, my mom was the one that was always making pap for us. So she has been trying to teach me how to do it, but honestly I'm lazy. So I went where I called my cousin to do pap for us, because she always used to do pap with my mom. She did the pap, and guys, this pap is so clean. Yeah, so right now I'm going to make the pap. I'm not going to be eating breakfast. This pap is for everybody in the house. Kenna has come again with her whisk. This is what I do with my pap with. Before we had Irish potatoes and eggs. Okay, so Irish potatoes is that one thing that you have to plan and plan if you have to do it. So I usually peel the potatoes in the night, slice them and put in the fridge in water, so that when I get up in the morning I just salt it and boom, I fried, because Irish potato can frustrate you, especially if your gas is closed. So yeah, I just did Irish potatoes and eggs. Remember I said on this menu you get a lot of eggs, because we eat a lot of eggs. So yeah, on this day we ate Irish potatoes. Hear me that way. On this day I made him Irish potatoes and fried eggs, because I'm saying him because guys, not everybody eats what he eats every morning. Some mornings I do different things for the kids and something different for him, and other mornings I do the same thing. So yeah, it's either potatoes and egg, or fried plantains and egg. So yeah, and I always make at least 3 eggs, so that it's really heavy, so he eats and is well and is satisfied. Yeah, and on this day I had some 2 little sausages left, so I just added it to make it even heavier. And breakfast that day was so yummy. though Monique and Myra helped him in eating those sausages and half of the food. But yeah, that's how the day went. Okay, I'm never going to stop being lazy. Like, there's always that lazy day, that one lazy day. And on lazy days, Kenna did not come to kill herself. On a lazy day, I would just give normal bread and margarine or mayonnaise or anything that he wants to eat. So on this day, I did bread, agege bread. This is agege bread that my husband's cousin brought for us. So I just did agege bread and rosa margarine, like easy, no stress. Just come and eat and be going. Oh. On normal days, I'll add fruits, but the oranges that were there were bad, so I could not add any fruit. So he just ate agege bread, butter, and tea. The next day, which is the last day, is I did a pear salad. This is just with vinegar, mayonnaise, pears, tomatoes, and onions. A very, very simple pear salad. I did not go overboard. I just did, that's how I always do it anyway when it's in the morning. Very simple, just slice everything, throw it in there, mix the mayonnaise and the vinegar, and boom, our food is ready. Okay guys, so I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you are now inspired on what you can make for your husband if you're a Cameroonian. If you're one of those people who is not Cameroonian and you're married to a Cameroonian, or you're dating a Cameroonian and you're wondering, oh, what can I make for my man for breakfast? These are just ideas. Try any of them and come and tell me how he reacts to it. He'll definitely love it. Thank you very, very much for watching, guys, and I am going to see you on the next one. Love you. Bye. Mwah.